Welcome guys. Today I'll discuss you how to register Withdrawal company. Okay, just like I paste the URL here. Okay, as you see here, this is the Withdrawal company registration account. Okay, you just fill this. As you know that Withdrawal company is a international level website. Nowadays its franchises are increasing day by day. A new franchise is coming soon in Nigeria. Okay, its investment plannings start from $20. Okay, as you see here. Okay, first I register Withdrawal account. How you can register it? Okay, this is the Withdrawal company website. Okay, as you see here. Okay, just open, but it's my referral link. Okay, Muhammad 1983. So I am using this link. Just type your name. Okay, for example, I'm typing here. Okay, any name as you type here. Okay, Ali 123. Your own name or another name, your full name. Okay, yeah, like okay, Ali Abbas, your full name and your mobile number, cell number as you type here. For example, you must select your country like here. Okay, and country code is here. Okay, and position, this position like that in Withdrawal company. When you register your account, you will see the difference. What's left side position, what's your right side position. This is a referral position. Okay, type your email. For example, I am typing this email and password. Okay, you must accept this. As you see, all fields are here filled. Name, full name, contact number, email address. Okay, sponsor's username. Okay, sponsor means the person who refer you. Okay, that's called sponsor's username. It means that Ali Abbas is a referral of Muhammad 1983. That's it's called a sponsor. Okay, checklist, you can also check this and check this and register. Password format is invalid. Azure security system actually password is very strong. You type here capital, small, lower keys, upper keys, characters. User register successful. Okay, this is the Azure dashboard. As you see here, this is the Azure company dashboard, your name and your referral link. Okay, you can, what is left and right referral link, as you see here. Okay, this is your ID and this is your left referrals, this is your right referrals. Okay, your account is now active. Again, I am clicking dashboard. Okay, now you can invest here. See how to invest here. First, you must, like here, hedge funds. Okay, select amount, what amount you want to invest. For example, $100. Okay, or $20. You must keep in your mind. Okay, there is two options, Bitcoin or perfect money. Either you want to deposit money using this method, or either you can deposit money manual system. You can also, Azure company allow you deposit money on manual basis. Like here, click here. Okay, then you must give your perfect money details. Okay, then you have already have perfect money account, otherwise you must create your perfect money account first. Okay, then you apply to invest or deposit money into Azure account. And in Azure you can also deposit or invest money manual method. Then you can just click here, chat section. Okay, this is, just click here. You can also contact to admin if anything you want to ask, anything you want to ask admin, you can also ask, like here. Your messages here. This is the procedure. Okay, you can also deposit money manual methods like perfect money, Bitcoin, pay here. Just send your screenshot, admin's WhatsApp number, just activate it at that time. This is it. Okay, how you can create your account, create your Azure account and invest it. Okay, this is the details of Azure company. Okay, this is my referral link. Trust score is 100, and this website, okay, is already have done domain is 4 years and running now, and Alexa rate rank is also high, 20,000. Minimum investment is $20. Daily 200 business days. Okay, your in Wazoo company, your package plan is 200 business days profits. It means that in the month, Saturday and Sunday is off. Other days, your profit is ongoing. Okay, start from 20 to 899. Okay, and 8,999 $8,999, 1.5% daily, 200 business days profits. I saw 9,000 to something. This amount 1.75% daily. 4,000 and above 2% daily. Instant deposit through perfect money. Instant means there is no wait. Your account activated as soon as possible. In the Bitcoin with 3 confirmation is necessary. In Wazoo account, minimum withdrawal is $20. Okay, and every month of 1st and 16th you can withdraw. In every month 2 times you can withdraw, either than 1st or 16th. But if you want to withdraw money every month, you must deposit $100. Then you can withdraw every month. $20 okay, minimum withdrawal limit. Wazoo company also allow manual deposits using multiple payment methods like Wazoo depositing. Okay, this is the Wazoo depositing perfectly. You can also manual deposit or invest. This is Wazoo Bitcoin wallet address. After depositing, send screenshot proof of investment into admin's WhatsApp number. This is the admin's WhatsApp number. You can also see the description in the video link. You can upload screenshot okay through chat section. Wazoo company other benefits: 10% referral commissions, 10% binary income. Binary income means you are both sides of equal, right and left, then you can receive 10% your binary income and 10% your referrals. Wazoo company also limited time offers, like now 13th October is the last date. 13th October 2020 is the last date of expensive gift offers with daily profits. You can also do passive income. Okay, there are a lot of things in Wazoo company. You can invest and take daily basis profits as so on. Okay, this is the procedure how to invest and deposit in Wazoo company. Okay, if anything else you can comments below in the description of the video. Okay, and you can also see this link. You can click and register here in the description of the video. Okay, I will also paste this link. You can for registration. Thanks.